What if I told you that losing muscle as you age is not inevitable? What if staying strong, fit, and energized at any stage of life is easier than you think? Whether you're in your 30s, 50s, or 70s, your muscles are capable of incredible growth and strength. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to maintain and build muscle no matter your age. Stick with me until the end, because I'll be revealing the one crucial mistake most people make that speeds up muscle loss. Muscle isn't just about looking toned. It's your key to longevity, mobility, and even brain health. Strong muscles improve posture, reduce injury risk, and keep your metabolism firing. Did you know that after 30, you can lose up to 5% of muscle mass per decade? But here's the good news. You can prevent and even reverse muscle loss with the right strategies. And trust me, they're simpler than you think. The best way to stay strong? Resistance training. Here's what you should focus on at different stages of life. 1. In your 30s and 40s, build a solid foundation. 1. Strength training, 3 to 4 times a week with compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups sets you up for lifelong strength. 2. In your 50s and 60s, focus on maintaining muscle and improving mobility. 2. Body weight exercises, resistance bands, and moderate weights keep your body strong without strain. 3. In your 70s and beyond, prioritize balance, flexibility, and strength. 3. Chair squats, light resistance training, and daily movement keep muscles active and joints happy. No matter your age, consistency is key. And here's something crucial: progressive overload. This means gradually increasing resistance, whether that's weights, reps, or intensity, to keep challenging your muscles. Exercise alone isn't enough. To build and maintain muscle, you need the right fuel. Here's what should be on your plate. 1. Protein power. Aim for 20-30 grams per meal. 1. Lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, and plant-based proteins like lentils and tofu are excellent choices. 2. Healthy fats. Support hormone production and recovery. Avocados, nuts, olive oil, and fatty fish are your best friends. 3. Carbs for energy. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide the fuel your muscles need to perform and recover. 4. Hydration. Muscles are 75% water. Don't let dehydration sabotage your strength. Want a simple muscle-building meal plan? Stick around till the end. I'll share a sample day of eating to maximize your strength gains. Most people make this fatal mistake: not prioritizing recovery. Overtraining or not getting enough sleep can break down muscle instead of building it. Here's what you must do. 1. Sleep at least 7 to 9 hours per night. This is when your body repairs and grows stronger. 2. Active recovery. Yoga, walking, and stretching. Keep muscles flexible and pain-free. 3. Stress management. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which eats away at muscle. 3. Deep breathing, meditation, or simply unwinding with a book can help. The real secret to staying strong for life? Making movement non-negotiable. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's lifting, swimming, yoga, or even dancing, and make it part of your routine. 1. Set small, achievable goals. 2. Track your progress. 3. Find a workout buddy or join a group for accountability. The most important thing? Start today. Your future self will thank you. Now you know the blueprint to staying strong at any age. But knowledge without action is useless. So here's your challenge. Drop a comment below and tell me your age and your biggest fitness goal. Let's create a strong, unstoppable community together. And if you want more science-backed tips to transform your health, make sure to subscribe and check out my next video on how to boost your metabolism naturally. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.